Amid tension with China, Army Chief General M.M. Naravane will visit Leh headquarters of 14 Corps on Tuesday for a security review of this sensitive Ladakh sector, where tensions have escalated after a brutal clash between soldiers of the Indian and Chinese army. This will be Naravane's second visit to Ladakh sector after the border standoff began in early May. He earlier visited Leh on May 22nd. Meanwhile, India has increased technical drone surveillance of the area, even as the Indo-Tibetan Border Police (ITBP) has inducted more battalions into the sector to support the army along the 3,488-kilometer line of actual control.
Army Chief General M.M. Naravane will embark upon his second visit to Leh within 30 days as tension between India and China along the LAC continues. General Naravane will leave for Leh after attending a meeting with top generals who are in New Delhi for the Army Commanders Conference that ends on Tuesday. On Monday, the commanders discussed development along the line of actual control and the Army's readiness to handle any situation. In Leh, senior officer will brief Naravane on latest development along the LAC and progress in military dialogue with China. General Naravane will also interact with soldiers there. This will be Naravane's second visit to Ladakh sector after the border standoff began in early May. He earlier visited Leh on May 22. The Army Chief is expected to visit Kashmir on Wednesday. Meanwhile, India has increased technical drone surveillance at 4 points in East Ladakh where Chinese have tried to intrude. The Indo-Tibetan Border Police (ITBP) has also inducted more battalions into the sector to support army along the 3,488-kilometer line of actual control, government and military officials said. The ITBP force accretion is being done to ensure that all 65 patrolling points along the 1,547-kilometer LAC in East Ladakh are fully patrolled, thereby not allowing PLA to expand the scope of its dispute with India by engaging in more areas. The decision to induct ITBP battalions in support of the army was taken on June 20th after Director General Military Operations India Lieutenant General Paramjeet Singh and Director General ITBP and BSF SS Deswal visited Leh to be briefed about the ground situation. The top security officials of Indian government were briefed by the 14 Corps Commander Lieutenant General Harinder Singh on the standoff with PLA. India has also deployed specialized high-altitude forces along LAC to repel any transgression in the western, middle and eastern sector, with the Narendra Modi government giving a clear mandate to the Indian Army to repel any PLA transgression along the LAC. The military and the National Technical Research Organization have been asked to deploy more surveillance drones in the area so that the battle theatre become more transparent. Bureau Report.